Hi, today I'm going to review the NITASA USB-C to HDMI cable. So here I already opened it and connect with my computer. Here I have the Type C, and this is my computer, and we see that this is the HDMI output, and this cable is covered by very high quality material. It is very tough and it is not easy to break, and also the cable is coated with the high quality metal, and here we have this also very well finished, and the edge is look like a diamond cut, and it's the feature that we usually have with very high quality product. So let me connect it with my external monitor. I have the monitor here, and I gonna connect it with my HDMI port. So let's see, we have the HDMI port right here, so let me plug it in. Okay, and now my computer is already output to the external monitor, and let's play around with it. Okay, and it's good, everything is good. Okay, so it's pretty cool. So the cable is also cheap in compare with their product, and we are very happy with this. Thank you for watching.